Iko aka Public Accounts Committee akarukumanywa nka PAC akarukushwijima ukusente yomihuwo musoro erukozesa erizoba kabuganaho n'abangu ugurwo mu irware rya Mulago Cancer Institute ababebemberwe Jackson Olem ahanshonga ezo kureba enkozesa ya sente za government omu kitongoreti akatika kashanga ngo bwahati abantu kurwo mu mahanga ga East Africa agatari gamwe na gamwe barukwinga no bicoye kama 20 harigana nibatunga Obujanjabi Bwabusha ahirwareri
bana balaba mu nsendara lwaki mubawa edaga lya Banyauganda era tugenda saba olukusa parliament etuwa olukusa bana abantu tandikuba charginga okubasaba sente mu nsi ze bava nafe tufune ku sente zigenda okujanja Banyauganda
abagishenjera aba bashobora ngo abantu abatari Banyauganda tubashemeire kutunga Obujanjabi Bwabusha abo kuba n'Abanyayuganda ukuba rukushora bakazaheriye ihangeri bashashura Obujanjabi bubatungayo.
For sports, as members of parliament, so many of us got COVID, but without insurance you wouldn't get services from Arusha, or if you didn't have insurance you had to have money to pay for this service. If you need to subsidize for East Africans, it should be brought clearly that there's a subsidy for East Africans, but they must pay. They don't pay their taxes here. There's nothing that you get outside Uganda for free. So there must be a cost for anybody who is in Uganda. We shouldn't give a priority to foreigners, and then we stress the resources and fail to look after our own people who are suffering to pay heavy taxes here.
The Cancer Institute, being a center of excellence for the treatment of cancers within the region, must have that private facility where patients that come in from other countries should actually pay.
Akatika kagarika kashangangu bimwaha byoma ebyakubiri no bikozesebwa mu kujanja babarwire ba kokoro bekasiskara okurwo mu mwaka gwa 2018 okuhitya bwahati ekirikuta amagara g'abantu mu kabi kamani.
Ebyuma bye tuyina ku Cancer Institute byonna tubikozesa naye nga bwe mumanyi mu adwaliro oluusi tufuna ebyuma ebikoze nnyo kubanga tulwawo okubireplacinga oba oluusi okubirepairinga ebyuma ne byononeka. Naye Cancer Institute etadde sente nyingi mu kugula ebyuma ebyokunoonyereza ku kansa ne kujanjaba kansa. Nga kyemumanyi nga amasannyalaze oba radiotherapy twali tulina ekyuma kimu mu 2016 katulina ebyuma 9 byonna gavumenti ebiguze ate byonna bikola.
Dabwanyuma chairman wakatika Onebo Muwanga Kivumbi yatindika abantu bana abari mukuru wa Mulago Cancer Institute Dr. Jackson Olem amwe n'orukujunanzibwa akugura ebintu bya institute egi uteireho n'abandi hari polisi ya parliament.